everybody, we're just hitting the road. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We're gonna head up to Jacksonville, Oregon and stay at a winery tonight, a Harvest Host.
Yeah, and we're pulling, this is our first trip with the fully loaded new trailer. It definitely has a different feel than the small trailer.
Definitely bouncier.
Yeah, so we're just kind of taking it easy. We'll get up to Jacksonville tonight. We have a couple nights at a Harvest Host, and
then we have a Harvest Host just south of Oregon. Yeah. So we have Harvest Host for the next 3 nights all lined up.
So yesterday was the first tow of the fully loaded trailer, leaving Humboldt, leaving home, and we drove to Jacksonville, Oregon. We're staying at Davitt Winery. It's a Harvest Host member. Beautiful place, very nice. Brendan was a great host, or is a great host. Had a great time sharing metal stories. Turned me on to a new band, Mongolian metal, called The Who, H-U. And we did wine tasting, bought a bottle. But it was an experience yesterday pulling this trailer. It's definitely a different feel from the small trailer. So, great place. And you know, it's surprising, watch that one. There's a lot more wineries out here. It's surprising that there aren't more Harvest Hosts. We were thinking of stopping at a few and telling them they should sign up.
There's 2 on your map.
We're good at telling them how to live their lives. Hang on. This is like a minefield of poison oak here. I gotta put this down. I'm gonna get oak. We drove from the winery to Buckley, or excuse me, Cantrell Buckley Park. And it's right on the river here. And it sounds like there's a ton of places to float, so it should be awesome. Yeah. Oh. But I want to go where it's cheaper. Oh my crap. Oh my god, this is cold. Oh, wait. I don't want to be going all the way over there. Oh, don't even worry about it. Dude, she ruins everybody's fun, man. I know. She ruins everybody's fun.
I don't.
Holy crap. That's awesome. Yeah, it's not too bad now that I'm frozen. How's it going? Awesome. Is this the Rogue or what the heck?
I don't know what
Applegate? I don't know what it is. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It's the Icewater Creek. Keep moving. I'm running into you now. Whoop. This is awesome. This is actually a really nice way to cool off this afternoon.
It is.
Because it was flipping hot and this water is ridiculously chilly. And I don't know how deep it is here. So we got done with our 5 miles we put in this morning, then we decided to go Pennington Farms, and they have their own store. Beautiful place out here.
And you guys don't make a straight loganberry jam? Oh, that I don't have it. Yeah, sorry about that. They're so good. The loganberry is like that. Sweet though. It does that. Sweet. It seems like it's sweeter than that. See where you're touching it?
Another quick stop we made. This is Whistling Duck Farm Store. This is on Highway 238 in the Applegate Valley. It came highly recommended by several different businesses. Told us, yeah, you got to stop there. And we just bought some salsa and, you know, beautiful flowers. I tried the one on the left.
That looks really good.
Yeah. Now, of course, I have to try the one on the right.
Oh my wow.
Yeah. Good.
Very good. Okay, which one are you buying? Whoa.
By sample, does that mean I can eat it all? Yeah. Oh yeah. Shall we? Whoa. Tanner's the vineyard dog. He's the best. Look at him. Yeah, hit by a car when he was a youngster, lost an eye and had a little work done, but it actually made him better. So we did great wine tasting this afternoon and then ended up buying
a case of wine.
A case of wine, but
it was a good deal. If you bought a case, you got 40% off.
Yeah, we were losing money every day we didn't buy that case of wine.
It was only like $45 more over a half case, so
that's true. Yeah,
it was worth it.
Yeah, it's $8 a bottle.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
So that's pretty good for really good wine. Yeah,
$1 bottles of wine.
And that gives us gifts to take when we go visit friends
and people we meet along the way,
and wine to drink ourselves. But so that's the difference with the Harvest Host. We could stay at a campground, we could boondock someplace, but we're here at this beautiful piece of property. The hosts have been incredibly generous. Told us, go ahead, park down here. It's a beautiful spot. Run your generator if you need to for air conditioning, whatever you need. Just so accommodating. And instead of being at a campground where we're right near other people, we're going to have this whole property to ourselves tonight.
Yeah.
And the
awesome.
well, us and the
it-
bullfrogs.
And it's a dark sky area, no lights,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah, so there
streetlights.
should be just amazing
be
stars
beautiful.
tonight.
And
Yes.
we just discovered a great berry patch by the ponds. We're going
Yeah,
back to get
so
a
we're
container.
gonna get a container. We can fill this canoe, I guess.
We can get a container and
Yeah.
have berries.
Yeah. So that gives, you know, the difference for Harvest Host is that you get to be somewhere unique. You get to meet nice people, and I mean, you still typically,
Spend money.
yeah, you
That's the whole point.
patronize the business. You know, you go and do a tour or do a wine tasting or whatever, but it's just not being in a campground. It's not boondocking. It's not Walmart. It is fantastic.
So much
And
better
it's
than
such a
Walmart.
bargain. Such a bargain. No offense to Walmart.
No, Walmart's
'Cause we
great
will
for
use
the-
you if we
yes,
need
and
you.
they're great
Yeah.
for quick one nights trying to get someplace. And when we could go stay at Walmart, we shop in there too. We
So-
buy ice cream.
Walmart quickie. Yeah. It's a Walmart one night stand. Use them and leave them. Anyway, okay, my arm's getting exhausted from this.
Okay,
festival.
we're gonna go get a container and come back and pick berries before
yeah,
it gets
we-
dark.
Okay, bye. There's the pond. This would be perfect. There we go.
Oh my God, these are perfect. They're coming right off. They're so noisy.
Nature's most perfect predator.
Oh, dragonflies.
Oh, dude. What are you doing, man? You're gonna get bit. These things are vicious.
They said they were friendly.
Yeah. That's because you can't advertise that you have dangerous geese on your property.
Go. I don't have food. I'll come for you.
No, 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 no. No. Yeah, you get back in the water. I rule on land. You can have the water.
Private residence.
This is downtown Oakland, Oregon. It's on the historic record, or they're all historic buildings. But on this site in 1897, nothing happened. It says right there.
All this old.
What is that? Bakelite or?
Kind of like Bigfoot, yeah.
Yeah.
I still need probably a gallon just to do my. You win?
Look at that. Hang on, aerial view.
Lunch! We are sharing it though.
Yep. That's Tolly's restaurant with the awesome sundae. And now we're back home. We're in the shade too.
Yeah.
What do you know? Nice town.